All right, for you today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have Grandma's Nuts and Bolts. So, the first thing we're going to add is 2 cups of Cheerios, followed by 2 cups of Cheez-Its, 2 cups of Gardetto's rye chips. Like I said, this comes together really quick. 2 cups of mini pretzels, 2 cups of peanuts, and 2 cups of rice and corn Chex. All right, let's make the seasoning sauce for it. So what I have here is 1 cup of butter or 2 sticks. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, Worcester sauce, followed by 2.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. Then, again, stir this around. And yes, I'm not going fast because I don't want the shit to fucking fly all over. It's butter, it'll burn the kitchen down. That wasn't for the general audience. That was for some jackass that thinks he's an ear of corn. Anyway, just let the butter melt, and then we'll be able to put it atop our mix. And then you just want to walk on over and pour all that liquid on the mix. Okay, then put a piece of tin foil on top of the bowl and shake this like you're shaking a newborn baby who just won't quit fucking crying. Just give it a little shake. That'll shut it up. All right, and then grab a standard baking sheet, line it with parchment paper to avoid cleanup, and pour the entire contents on this, and then in a preheated 225-degree oven, or as low as your oven can possibly go, you want to bake this for approximately 1 hour. You can stir it occasionally. I stirred it like once at the 30-minute mark, just a little bit to move everything around. But honestly, I've made this before, not stirred it, and it hasn't meant a damn thing. So again, 1 hour in a 225-degree oven, or as low as your oven can go. Alrighty, and after an hour, this is what we have. And literally, that's it. So that's Grandma's Nuts and Bolts. Done.